Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wizarding world of LEGO with something super unique and magical, the LEGO Harry Potter Book Nook, Hogwarts Express Building Kit. Present emoji. Before we hop on the train, check the link below to grab this set. Steam locomotive emoji. What is it? This isn't your typical LEGO set, it's a book nook, which means it's designed to sit between books on your shelf like a miniature diorama. And this one? It brings the Hogwarts Express to life in the most magical way. You'll build the charming 3D scene that includes the Hogwarts Express platform tunnel, brick walls and mystical details from platform 9 3/4, 2 exclusive LEGO minifigures, Harry Potter and Ron Weasley, hidden magical surprises and intricate book-style architecture. It's like adding a piece of the wizarding world right into your bookshelf. Hammer and wrench emoji. Build experience, creative and relaxing. With LEGO's classic brick system and easy-to-follow instructions, this is a super satisfying build. Whether you're a kid or just a kid at heart, the process is relaxing and the finished product is a real showpiece. Recommended for ages 10+, it strikes the perfect balance between creative play and collector-worthy display. Mage emoji, play or display, your choice. Once built, the set doubles as a functional book nook to decorate your shelf, a pretend playset for Harry Potter fans, a conversation starter for any LEGO or fantasy fan. Kids will love the imaginative play, while older fans can appreciate the detail and design, especially the way it slots neatly between your favorite fantasy novels. Present emoji, perfect for gifting. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a surprise for a Potterhead, this is one of the coolest LEGO gifts you can get right now. It's compact, creative, and totally magical. White check mark emoji. Final thoughts. The LEGO Harry Potter Book Nook, Hogwarts Express Edition is a magical mix of creativity, fandom, and smart design. Whether you're gifting it, building it for fun, or adding it to your personal library, it's a beautiful and fun way to celebrate the magic of Hogwarts. Small blue diamond emoji. Pros. Beautiful, detailed mini diorama. Includes exclusive Harry and Ron minifigs. Doubles as playset and decor. Great for ages 10+ and adult fans. Easy to display and collect. Warning emoji. Cons. Not motorized or lighted, but can be modded. Might leave you wanting to buy the whole Hogwarts. Smiley face emoji. Present emoji. Ready to bring some magic to your shelf or gift someone special? Click the link below to grab the LEGO Book Nook Hogwarts Express set today, and drop a comment. Which scene from Harry Potter would you love to see as a LEGO Book Nook next? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun LEGO reviews, DIY gift ideas, and fandom favorites.